got sine of tan inverse x. So you got to evaluate the value of sine tan inverse x. Let tan inverse x equal to theta, or x is equal to tan theta. So the required expression is sine theta. That is, you find the value of sine theta in terms of x. That is only possible if you express sine theta in terms of tan theta. Do you know a formula? Sine theta equal to tan theta by sec theta. Why so? Tan theta is sine theta by cos theta, whole divided by 1 by cos theta. You work out, you will get sine theta. So here we should write sine theta equal to tan theta divided by sec theta. Tan theta, of course, we can replace by x, but what about sec theta? Do you know a formula relating sec theta and tan theta? Yes, sec square theta is 1 plus tan square theta, or sec theta is under the root 1 plus tan square theta. So we get tan theta divided by under root 1 plus tan square theta. Replace tan theta by x and you get the required expression as x upon under root 1 plus x square. So we get the value. Now let me tell you, sometimes what may happen, that it may not strike to you that trigonometrically sine theta can be expressed as tan theta by sec theta. So we have another simple method of reaching to the same result which we have been doing right from class 9. But you know, at 12th class level, class 12 level, the first method is preferred. Let me also discuss the alternate way of doing the same. Alternatively, tan theta is x. In a right angle triangle, how do you define tan theta? You define tan theta as perpendicular by base. So we get this way, x by 1. So if the two perpendicular sides are x and 1, what will be hypotenuse? It will be under the root 1 plus x square. And now what is the definition of sine theta? In terms of perpendicular base and height, it is perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. So you get x upon under root 1 plus x square, the same value which we got earlier. So, though again I repeat that you should do using the first method, but if at all you are not able to do, there is no harm in doing by the alternate method. Thank you. Now look at this sum. Sine of cos inverse half. This is a very simple question. Cos inverse half means what is that angle whose cos is half? It is, you know, 60 degree or pi by 3. So we get sine pi by 3. And what is the value of sine pi by 3? It is root 3 by 2. That's it. You got to find the value of cot inverse negative root 3. So mainly it is finding the value of cot inverse negative root 3. Just recollect that cot inverse of negative x is pi minus cot inverse x. So using this property, cot inverse of negative root 3 is pi minus cot inverse root 3. And what is the value of cot inverse root 3? That is, what is that angle whose cot is root 3? It is pi by 6. So you get pi minus pi by 6, that is 5 pi by 6. Now coming back to the question, you get cos 5 pi by 6. Now, how to find the value of cos 5 pi by 6? 5 pi by 6 lies in the second quadrant. So it may be written as pi minus pi by 6. And you know cos in the second quadrant is negative. So it is negative cos pi by 6. And what is the value of cos pi by 6? Cos 30 degree. It is root 3 by 2. So the answer will be negative root 3 by 2.